Hi, I'm Chef Trina Nelson, Executive Chef for Food and Child Nutrition Services, and I'm here just for a little bit to kind of show you guys some wonderful menu ideas, some creative ways that you can take your curbside ingredients, put them together, and make some creative ideas for your family. First thing we're going to show you, we've got one of our fresh produce items that we do include in our curbside meals, and that's fresh jicama. I figured jicama is great with a little lime, a little salt, but why not do a cute little jicama salad? In your curbside kit, you'll also receive fresh fruit pears. So I'm going to show you this little salad I came up with, real easy to put together. First thing we're going to do, let's go ahead and open up the jicama. And as you can see, they come in sticks. We want to dice them so they'll be bite-sized portions which fit better on a fork, and they'll kind of match the shape of our pears. So all we're going to do, we're going to take our jicama and we're just going to dice them. Now for you kids, be careful with the knife. Our younger children, please make sure you've got a parent to help you. And there you go, we're just going to dice this up. Each bag of jicama will come already washed and, like I said, cut into sticks. So all we're going to do is dice that up, and there you go. This is what we're looking for with our jicama. I'm going to add that to my bowl. 3 easy ingredients, all found in your curbside meal. And I'm just going to drain the juice from the pears, and we're going to add that to our jicama, the entire cup. And in your curbside meal bag, you'll always get, if you see jicama, you're going to see tahini. And they come in these cute little packets, and all we're going to do is take one, and we're going to sprinkle that right in. We're going to stir it up really well. But kids, this is a really easy way to take a couple of ingredients that you'll see quite often in your curbside bag and putting them together to make something totally different. And here's one that we did earlier. And as you can see, you've got your jicama, your pears, and your little tahini chili seasoning.